Hi, I'm Dr. Lianne Catton, the Medical Officer of Health for the Porcupine Health Unit. I wanted to take a few minutes just to touch base with respect to our current status in the COVID-19 pandemic and response. At this point in time, we have put forward an order for mask and or face covering use in enclosed public spaces as of July 23rd. What this means is local businesses, workplaces, operators, and employers have been given a letter of instructions asking them to have a policy in place for mask use by employees and those visiting and entering their public spaces as of July 23rd. By a mask, we mean a non-medical mask or a face covering, and this could include a bandana, it could include a disposable non-cloth mask, it could include a homemade cloth mask, and it can also include a scarf. With respect to exemptions, it's very clearly articulated in the letter itself, and it is available on our website and social media through our FAQs. Those under the age of 2 will not be required to wear a mask, nor will those who have any cognitive or other developmental challenges that may make it difficult for them to either put on or remove their masks safely. Those with communication or hearing challenges also may be exempt from wearing a mask, or they may also be allowed to temporarily remove their mask in order to communicate when they're out in public. Additionally, those with certain medical conditions, which would include challenges breathing, difficulties breathing, may also be exempt. It's really important to recognize that nobody will be asked why they are exempt, nor will anybody be required to provide proof of exemption. We're really looking at bringing this forward in a good faith manner. We're hoping on the trust and goodwill of all of our community members, our business owners who have worked really hard to open and stay open safely for both their staff and their clients and customers, and really trusting that every individual across the health unit will do what they can within their own ability to protect themselves and to protect those around them from COVID-19. One other important thing to note is that the use of mandatory masks, the use of face masks or covering within public spaces does not exempt us or does not mean that we shouldn't be physically distancing anymore. And so it is just exceedingly important that we continue to maintain our commitment to physically distancing, to washing our hands well, and especially if you have symptoms, please stay home. Don't visit your favorite restaurant. Wait until you feel better. Get a test. Please don't risk exposing anyone else, and stay home when you're unwell. Get a test. Stay well. We are all in this together. I do recognize it's been extremely challenging. We have done so well across the Porcupine Health Unit, and I think we just need to continue with this commitment. It's so extremely important to do everything we can to prevent cases, to prevent surges, and most importantly, to try and save lives. Thank you. Merci. Miigwech.